To start off this video, this is a proximity key fob, and there's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. There's a nice Ram badge on the back. Using this button right here, that is remote start. So you can remote start the Ram 3500. Boom, just like that, it starts up. This is fantastic to have in the winter time. You hear two honks. So the first honk means that the doors are locked. Second honk means it's gonna start. And this is a 2015 Ram 3500 Laramie Heavy Duty in brilliant black crystal pearl paint with the 6-foot box in the back. It is a mega cab, and it's powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine underneath the hood. Okay, so this truck has projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. The high beams are right there. There's 2 fog lights, there's 2 tow hooks, and this has LED running lights, and the running lights are also the turn signals. So this does have LED turn signal lights as well. You have that crosshairs grille in the front, looking sharp. One thing I love about the Ram 3500 is how tough it looks, just ready to be put to work. And when on the highways, it looks like it's the king of the road. So this truck is running on 18-inch rims, and the tires are BF Goodrich mud and snow tires, and there's tons of tread left on those tires for you. And both driver and passenger side door mirrors are chrome. This does have tow mirrors with built-in LED turn signal lights, and these are heated mirrors as well, which is fantastic to have in the wintertime. And you don't have to have them flipped up like this. You easily flip them down like this if you don't want them up. Easily flip it back up if you want it back up. There's chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and I have the proximity key fob in my pocket. The doors are locked right now, so all you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. The Ram will sense the fob is near, and I'll unlock the door for you. You always press that button right there to lock up this Ram 3500 when you're done with it. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm right here. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with the window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic, and this does have power folding in mirrors. Check this out. Power folding mirrors are great to have because you can fold in the mirrors if you're trying to park in a tight parking spot. All the doors have wood styling touches on them with chrome, and there's also like a chrome Ram badge there, and there's unique stitching throughout, and you'll see that on the leather seats. There's adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height, so depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram truck. Laramie badges on the front seats. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support, and this has driver's seat presets. You can set up to 2 presets. By the push of one of those buttons, the driver's seat will adjust to your preset settings. There's a little pocket on the side of the middle console right here. Nice materials right here for your arm to rest on. There's a nice Ram badge. Grab this chrome handle. There's an upper storage area right here. There's a change holder. And there's also a USB port, an auxiliary port, an SD card port to connect to your media. Put anything in those areas and you can play music off your devices. And right here, there is another USB port. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the side so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a lower. There's even more storage space down below here. Let's put some pens on this ledge, and you got a little goodie here as well. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here. Nice styling touch, cell phone holder, 12-volt DC power outlet, and lots of space there for many different things. And there's another storage area right there. This does have an auto-dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting throughout, and there's a power sunroof up top too. This has a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. There's a tilt steering wheel too. This has power adjustable pedals. You move the pedals closer or further away from your feet for the ultimate driving position. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. And this has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there. That button will turn on the box lights. Fog light button right there. There's a handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. Let's move on to the back seat area. All right, so storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch. Great style, it's looking really good. Now the back seat of this truck really shines because it's a mega cab. There is an unreal amount of space in the back seat area here. You have a fold down armrest with 2 big cup holders. Adjustable headrests in the back seats too. Hooks up above so you can hang out nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The interior lamp right here, push it with your hand, it'll come on. Push it again, it will shut off. And down here in the middle, there are directional air vents which you can easily adjust. Heated seats in the back too, 2 settings for both. 12-volt DC power outlet. And there's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. Handle right here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. Pull this handle right here, and check this out. The seat folds down, and you can put things on top of the seat here. There's tons of space behind the seats too. There's hooks here so you can hang up things. And right here, there is a little storage compartment. Check it out. You can put things on top of here too. This easily flips back up just like that. And you can actually recline the back seats back too by using this handle here. Check it out. Check it out, it's reclined back more. That is so cool. Pull the handle here and it goes back to where it was before. You can pull this handle right here and it just folds down the backrest just like that. That way you can still have access to the back here. Check it out, there's a little wall there. Excellent. And you easily push it back up just like this. And there's extra speakers up top here connected to the Alpine Sound System. Let's keep on looking at this truck. All right, this has LED tail lamps on the back. Those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram Heavy Duty. Nice badging, the Ram badge, 4x4 badge, Laramie badge, looking good. Backup camera is built into tailgate handle right there. Open up the tailgate. There's hooks in all 4 corners so you tie down your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. This has spray and Bedliner as well. And the box lights are just up there. This is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. Let's come on to the other side here. All right, storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, power window switch, wood styling touch with other unique styling touches, looking great. Of course, there's a convenience handle on this side too. Park on the back of the passenger seat as well. There's a mat back here too. And what I did with the driver's side, you can do with the passenger side as well. So let's take a quick run through this. And of course, you can recline the seat back. Looking great. Here we go. Goes back to where it was. There you go. It's back to where it was before. You can unlock all the doors. You have the key fob on you by putting your hand around the passenger door handle too, just like this. Always press that button right there to lock up the Ram 3500 when you're done with it. Storage down below with 2 big cup holders. Storage in the middle. Power locks, power window switch, looking good. Convenience handle right here for your front passenger. There's the glove box right here with a convenience light. There's a nice Laramie badge right there. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. The lower glove box here with a manual and some other goodies. Of course, pocket on the side of the middle console. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support as well. And underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lots of safety built into this Ram 3500. And check this out, beautiful stitching on the dashboard. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this truck right now. Okay, now I'm sitting inside the 2015 Ram 3500 Laramie Heavy Duty, and the proximity key fob is in my pocket. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below here, go over to the side and press the push button, start button. And that starts up this truck, and that diesel engine sounds great. This truck only has 111,462 kilometers on it, which is not too shabby, so definitely come book a test drive soon. Up here is a logo for the Alpine Sound System, letting everybody know that you have that fantastic audio, and there's great sound quality. There you go. Sounds good. Definitely have a good time listening to all your favorite tunes inside this Ram truck. Turn it back down like this, or you can press that mute button right there. And behind the steering wheel, there are steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancelled.
Using voice recognition, you can tell the GPS navigation to find a certain address, which I think is super cool. Has a nice big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and if a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call by pressing that button right there. This does have four-wheel drive. Turn this knob to engage the four-wheel drive, and it gives you that extra traction in wintertime as well. Makes it so you can go off-road a little better. Here is a trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode, exhaust brake. You can turn off the rear ParkSense parking sensors by pressing that button there. Press it again, and they come back on. Heated and ventilated seats up front, and this does have a heated steering wheel. 115-volt AC power outlet. Another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. This has dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram to adjust your climate control for you. These are the physical controls. There's a tuning knob, browse button, volume knob, mute button for your audio, and you can turn the screen off here if you don't look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. Hazards and back button will help you guide through your system. Of course, directional air vents right here, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. Nice Ram badge, a little spot there for some things. Wood styling touch right here as well on the front. And this is the touchscreen Uconnect system. This has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. Access to a mini map, GPS navigation right here. Presets up top here. Hold one in the box with your finger, and you can easily set a preset. You can easily direct tune as well. Media area here, so if you have a Bluetooth device connected, you can play music off that Bluetooth device. If you have something plugged into the USB port, the XLE port, or the SD card port, choose which area that you want to listen to music through. Touchscreen controls for the heated and ventilated seats, the heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer there too, and settings. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go, adjust your fan speed. You can unsync and sync the temperatures, set the temperature with just your finger, and more. Here's the large GPS navigation map. Gives you a great view, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out in the map. Go menu, go where to, put in an address, search up points of interest, and more. Bluetooth area here, pair a phone. You can pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system. And there's settings here for the touchscreen Uconnect system and this Ram 3500, so you can customize this truck and have it the way that you want it to be. And the info bar up top here tells you the time, outside temperature, you have a compass, and what temperature is set at for both dual climate control, and it lets you know if you have any devices connected. And there's tons of visibility out the front window, and there's fold-down sun visors up here with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights, and these are breakaway, and they do slide out. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center screen. So the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area, tells you your engine hours, tire pressures for all four tires, transmission temperature, oil life, fuel filter life, battery voltage, exhaust/turbo area, full-on gauge summary, and back to your engine hours. You have your fuel economy page here, let you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Hold this button here. You can reset one or both of those. Of course, you have your trailer tow area, audio area, let you know it's playing on your media. Message center, in case this RAM wants to tell you something. And screen setup here, so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. See all these corners, you can customize what's said in those corners in the screen setup area right here. And of course, back to the digital speedometer. And if you open any door on this truck, I'll let you know which door on the truck is opened. Don't wait too much longer. This heavy duty truck is waiting for you. It's a 2015 Ram 3500 Laramie Heavy Duty, powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine underneath the hood. It's a mega cab with the 6-foot box on the back. It's luxurious, it sounds great, it's comfortable and very smooth on the highways. It's at Crosstown Chrysler. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.